the greatest mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism is finally solved. The Antikythera Mechanism is an ancient Greek device found in a Roman shipwreck that was discovered in 1902. It's considered to be the world's first computer, but its true purpose has remained a mystery for over a century. Experts have been scratching their heads over this for years, and now we finally have an answer. This is a report from The Guardian. The device, which dates to around 200 BC, is also known as the orrery, after the Earl of Orrery who owned it at one point. It consists of at least 30 bronze gears hidden inside a wooden box. What makes it so special is that it was created at least 1800 years before modern-day computers. Researchers have known for some time that the intricate clockwork was used for astronomical calculations, but they didn't know exactly what it was used for. One popular theory was that it was used to predict the date of the next Olympic Games. But researchers have dismissed this because there are too many parts for such a simple function. Other researchers believed that the device was used to track the phases of the moon to help with navigation. But again, there were too many parts. There simply had to be more to this device than that. And now we finally have an answer. A new paper published in the journal Scientific Reports presents evidence that the Antikythera mechanism was used for something much more advanced, predicting eclipses. Researchers say that the device could calculate the occurrence of solar and lunar eclipses with an accuracy of ±2 days. To reach this conclusion, researchers carried out the first ever comprehensive analysis of all the inscriptions found on the Antikythera mechanism. They discovered that the device had 7 dials, each with its own gear train, plus an additional gear to tell the month. Researchers believe that the main dial was used to display the phase of the moon, while the remaining dials were used to input data related to the occurrence of solar and lunar eclipses. They also found that the device had a reset mechanism that would allow the user to input the date and time. Researchers say that this is strong evidence that the device was used for more than just telling the time. Researchers are excited about their discovery because it shows just how advanced the ancient Greeks were. They were able to create a device that could accurately predict eclipses using nothing but gears and a crank. This is truly amazing considering that the ancient Greeks didn't have any advanced mathematical or astronomical knowledge. They didn't even know what an eclipse was, yet they were able to create a device to predict them. What do you think of this amazing discovery? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.